Some lines of symmetry. Dear children, today we will learn about the symmetry. I have a butterfly. It is the 100% symmetrical figure. Why? Why it is the symmetrical figure? So, with the help of this little butterfly, I will explain why it is a symmetrical. Which figure that is called the symmetrical figure, which has the two same sides. The butterfly has the two same sides, left hand and right hand. Two equal sides means both sides has the image or mirror image. When we can fold the butterfly, you can see this side and this side, both are just like two image. So that is called the symmetrical figure. And which figure showing the symmetrical line, it is given the symmetrical line and it has the symmetry. So it is the symmetrical figure and it has the symmetry. And we can draw the line of symmetry. What is the line of symmetry? A line of symmetry which is divide the figure into two equal or mirror parts. So this is the symmetrical figure and it has the line of symmetry. Now you can see here this figure has the line of symmetry because we can divide into two equal parts and we can divide with the help of line into the two equal mirror parts. First part equal to second 100% equal part. So it is the symmetrical figure. Those figure has that type of property that is called the symmetry. A figure which has the line of symmetry and similar figure, those figures has the symmetry. Dear children, today we will learn how to draw the lines of symmetry. With the help of these figures, we can learn the lines of symmetry. First figure, we can draw the lines of symmetry. A line which is divided into two equal parts, that is called the line of symmetry. So here we can draw a line, this line divided this figure into two parts. So this line called the line of symmetry because this line divide it into two equal parts. So it is line of symmetry. Again, another line of symmetry here. So those lines are lines of symmetry or symmetry line because this line divide into two equal parts, up part and down part. Again we can draw the line of symmetry. Look at here, this line divide into two equal parts. So this line also line of symmetry. One more line we can draw. How we can draw the line? Here. This line also line of symmetry. Dear children, another picture, star. We can draw the line of symmetry. This line called the line of symmetry because this line divides into two equal parts. So this line is line of symmetry. One more line we can draw. How is it possible? Look at here. This line is also line of symmetry because this line divides this figure into two equal parts. So here one and two line of symmetry. Another line of symmetry we can draw. How? Look at here carefully. Another line. This line divides into two equal parts. One part up and second part. So this is also line of symmetry. Look at here. It is a rectangle. We can draw many lines of symmetry. Look here. This line is the line of symmetry because this line divides into two equal parts. So this line called line of symmetry. Again, we can draw line of symmetry. So this line also line of symmetry because this line divides the figure into two equal parts. Again, one and two lines. We can draw next line of symmetry. Here, this corner to this corner. It is also line of symmetry because this line divides this figure into two equal parts. One part and second part. So it is like line of symmetry. Again, next line we can draw from this side. So it is also line of symmetry because this figure divides into two equal parts. One part up and second part downside. So that is called the line of symmetry. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 line of symmetry. Look at here. How many lines of symmetry? Let's look at here. One line of symmetry. It's divided into two equal parts. So it is the line of symmetry. Another one we can draw from this side to opposite. Again this side to opposite side. So first figure and second figure both are same on mirror side. So this is also line of symmetry. Next, look at here. This line is also line of symmetry because this line divides into two equal parts. First part and second part. So it is also line of symmetry. So it has 4 lines of symmetry. It has 3 lines of symmetry. It has how many? Okay, 4. 4 lines of symmetry, and this figure has only 3 lines of symmetry. And this butterfly has only single lines of symmetry, means one line of